Have you ever had issues with your GPU memory while using language models? Discover how TurboQuant can solve this problem and enhance your experiences with artificial intelligence. But how does TurboQuant actually work? TurboQuant is an innovative technology developed by Google, designed to tackle one of the most critical issues in the field of artificial intelligence: excessive memory consumption when using language models. But what does this really mean? In simple terms, TurboQuant is a compression algorithm that significantly reduces the size of the key value cache, or key cache, used during the inference of language models. This is crucial because as we increase the context length, the memory required grows exponentially. For example, a model with billions of parameters can consume up to 4.6 GB just for the key cache. TurboQuant aims to reduce this memory consumption by 4 to 6 times, without compromising quality. This reduction not only makes models more accessible, but also opens the door to new applications and opportunities in the field of artificial intelligence. Imagine being able to use larger and more complex models without having to invest in expensive hardware. This is exactly what TurboQuant offers. And there's an interesting detail that changes everything. The operation of TurboQuant is based on two main phases, which work in synergy to achieve impressive results. The first phase, called TurboQuant, applies a random rotation to the key vectors. This step is crucial because it helps evenly distribute the energy of the vector, preventing single extreme values from influencing the final result. Essentially, it's about making the distribution more uniform, facilitating the quantization process. By leveraging this technique, TurboQuant manages to reduce noise and improve model stability. The second phase, the QGIL residual correction, addresses any quantization errors. Through an intelligent mathematical algorithm, TurboQuant maintains high accuracy with minimal loss of quality. This is TurboQuant's strength. It offers effective compression without sacrificing performance. Let's not forget that this technology was developed with real challenges faced by developers and researchers in mind, who need practical and scalable solutions for their project. But how does all this translate into practical terms? TurboQuant is not just a compression algorithm. It is a true solution for those working with language models. One of the main advantages is scalability. As the context grows, so do the memory savings. For example, with a context of 8,000 tokens, you can save over 2 GB of memory. This means developers can handle more complex models without necessarily increasing hardware costs. Moreover, TurboQuant is train-free, meaning you don't need training or calibration data to make it work. This makes it ideal for developers and researchers who want to implement language models without facing complicated setups. Think of how much time and resources you save. In a field where every second and every byte counts, TurboQuant offers a competitive edge. Additionally, with the growing demand for more efficient AI applications, TurboQuant stands out as an essential solution for anyone looking to keep pace in a rapidly evolving sector. And what if I told you that you can start right away? Using TurboQuant is surprisingly simple and accessible, even for those without deep experience in artificial intelligence. You can install it directly via pip, a package manager for Python, making the process truly straightforward. Once installed, just a few lines of code are needed to integrate it into your model. For example, you can import the TurboQuant module and use the compressed cache in no time. This means that even if you're not an AI expert, you can still leverage this technology to enhance your application. Imagine being able to manage larger models without having to upgrade your hardware. It's like having a superpower in your pocket. Furthermore, the developer community is already sharing experiences and resources on how to optimize TurboQuant in projects, making adoption even easier. Don't underestimate the power of well-crafted documentation and an active community. They can make the difference between a frustrating experience and overwhelming success. Have you ever thought about how TurboQuant could change your work? TurboQuant is not just theory. There are already numerous real use cases demonstrating its value. Several companies are implementing TurboQuant to optimize their AI infrastructures, allowing them to reduce operational costs and improve the performance of their models. For instance, some startups in the field of automated content generation have seen a 30% increase in efficiency due to the reduction in memory needed for inference, enabling them to process more requests simultaneously. Additionally, in the healthcare sector, AI models used to analyze medical data and provide diagnoses have seen significant improvements in response times, which is crucial for patients. These examples not only demonstrate the effectiveness of TurboQuant, but also its versatility across different industrial contexts. The possibilities are virtually endless, making TurboQuant a valuable addition for anyone looking to push their models beyond current limits. Last thing, what do you think about TurboQuant? TurboQuant represents a significant step forward in memory compression for language models. While previous solutions compromise quality, TurboQuant manages to maintain high performance while reducing memory overhead. While reducing memory overhead. This is crucial for those working with large models and seeking practical and accessible solutions. If you're considering implementing TurboQuant, remember that it can open new opportunities for you. Not only does it improve efficiency, but it also allows you to push your models beyond current limits. With the continuous evolution of technology and the growing demands in the field of artificial intelligence, solutions like TurboQuant will become increasingly relevant. Don't miss the chance to explore this technology. The future of AI might depend on your ability to adopt and implement innovations like this. If you want to learn how to use TurboQuant in your projects, check out the link in the description for more details and useful resources. Subscribe to Techie Talk AI and try Mnemonic free at mnemonic.app.